No.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I have actually a Christmas project. Yes, y'all, I done got started on Christmas projects now, okay? My kids like, Mom, but what about Halloween? What about Halloween? What about it? Halloween to me is a holiday that is just like it's over the same day. Like it literally only lasts a few hours and that's it. But Christmas, you can celebrate Christmas. Christmas going on for weeks. You get what I'm saying? You can keep Christmas decorations up, especially all through January. They can stay up, okay? So, anywho, this project here is very kid friendly. This is kid friendly. This is also for those who have who is in a classroom settings, you know, preschool, daycare. This is great. And these are like little snow globes. These are simple to do. You guys can get creative with this, like with the poses, as you can see. Oh my God, them is my kids going at it. They just arguing. As you can see, like these are freaking adorable, just cute, and it's very cheap. It's a cheap project to do. So we just gonna go ahead and get into the project. All right, so first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go ahead and just print out your images. Okay, I have the images printed out and I also have my laminator heated up, so I'm going to laminate these photos. For the supplies that you will need, of course, you are going to need some clear plastic plates. You can buy the big or the small size. I purchased my husband got the big ones. Um, I'm going to use red construction paper as the base of the globe. And I don't have no blue paper. No, I don't. I don't have blue paper. So what I'm going to do is just have the kids. I got a ton of different color blues. I'm just going to have them color the white paper, you know, that I'm going to be using for the background of the globe. So I'm going to go ahead and laminate that. Let the kids color this, cut it out, and then I'll be back. Well, I'm going to be using for the fake snow. I have some, what is this? Falk snow that I bought from Nehemiah Wash Shop from Dollar Tree, as well as some cotton balls. So, alright, so I have my paper right here that I already went ahead and colored blue. You don't have to do this if you already have a blue sheet of paper. I have my plate right here. Only thing I'm going to glue right now is the bottom. That way the top is still open so that I can put, you know, I guess all of the contents that I want to go in there in it. So I'm trying to figure out exactly how to okay, I don't know. I guess I'm just going to put the glue directly on the plate. I don't know how else to do this so that, you know, the stuff don't fall out as I'm doing this. Glue it a little bit more. You know what? I probably should have glued my person down inside of there first. I think these are going to turn out so cute, especially that one. She said she wanted it to look like she was out there eating the snow. I think these are going to be adorable. Um, so, okay, I guess I got time to still put mine in there somewhere. Okay, come on out, girl. All right. Just put a little bit of glue on here. Wherever I go, wherever I go.
Count to 3.
Yeah, mine. All right, so that is where mine is. And now I'm just going to go ahead and begin putting some cotton balls down there, and then I'm going to also trim the edges, and I'll be back. Okay, so this is how mine turned out. I think it's cute. Hopefully my kids are more creative than I am. I also had glitter that, you know, they can put down the side of there. And you can actually shake it and see the little snowballs falling down. It's cute. And then down here, I just put Mom 2018. But you know, if you were doing this for a classroom, you could do, you know, things I like about snow, and then they could list it, or you know, it could be something that they give to their parents. And you know, I don't know. You guys are creative, so I'm sure you'll come up with something. Yes, so if you have any questions at all about this craft, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Alright, you guys, we are all done with the project, and let me tell you, these kids were like into this project. They were excited. Even my young ones, like they wanted to see themselves in the snow, and I think they all turned out freaking. Well, y'all see mine, freaking adorable. Look at that, so cute. Like they got really creative. He wanted to look like he was freezing in the snow. They're just super cute. She did little snowballs. Super cute. Like I said, you can also draw things. She drew a snowman. And of course, my husband and my oldest daughter was some lazy bums, and they were sleeping. So they're about to do theirs right now. But if you have any questions, please let me know. This was a fun project, very kid friendly, easy to do. It would be great for classrooms as well. So I'm going to be looking forward to doing a lot more projects. You know, I got kids. So I will see you guys soon. Bye.